Hello good people, and welcome back to another math video, this time on the percent equation, also known as the percent proportion. Now students had learned doing percents with some multiplying yesterday. That works, but this is just another technique, another commonly seen proportion. This is the proportion, and we're saying that a percent out of 100 equals is and of. This is going to make a little bit more sense once we hop into a problem, but this is the common proportion. And anytime you do one of these problems that we're going to see, you will always have three numbers and you are solving to get the fourth number. And we do that by cross multiplying like we've done in proportions. And so basically we would cross multiply this way, and whichever one of these was the missing number would be the variable, and we would solve for that variable. Alright, let's get started and see how this looks in a couple problems. Here's the first one. What number is 88% of 300? Alright, well remember again our equation, or our proportion. The percent over 100, and then is over of. Now I just substitute. Do I have a percent? Yes, I do. I have the 88. Okay, well I can put that in. Rewrite my 100. I have half of this proportion done. What number is? This is what we're missing. It's asking you what number for the is. So this is the part of the proportion that we're missing and is going to need a variable. The variable doesn't matter. I'll use n. Of 300. So here's our of number. So now to solve this, we will just do our cross multiplying. And on one side, I'll have 100 times n, and on the other side, I'll have 88 times 300. 88 times 300 is 26,400, and that will be equal to 100n. To get just n, I need it by itself, so I need to divide by 100. Divide both sides by 100, and then n would equal 264. Okay, here's another one. 84 is 60% of what number? So here I have my same proportion I'm going to use every single time. Now I did tell you that they're going to give you three numbers, and you'll look here and you'll only see two. 1, 2. Here's the third one. The bottom number on this side of the proportion will be 100 every single time. Percents are always out of 100, so we always have that 100. So there's your third number. Let's do our substituting. Well, there's my 60 for my percent. Got that. 84 is, okay, got that. Of what? I don't know my of. So I've got that here. Do my cross multiplying. 60n is equal to 8,400. I'll divide both sides by 60 so that I can have n by itself. And once I do that division on a calculator, I'll see that n is equal to 140. Here's another way you might see one of these. Find 24% of 25. Well, here's my proportion again. I told you you're going to have three numbers. 1, 2, and there's your third one, the 100. That always stays. Find 24% of 25. So here's my of number. Is over of. Well, I have my percent, 24 over 100. Is equal to, I don't know, some variable number out of 25. Do my cross multiplying here, and I'll get 100n equals 600. Divide by 100 to get n by itself, and n will equal 6. Here's another way we might see one of these problems. What percent of 200 is 230. It's the same proportion every single time. Set it up, percent over 100 is over of. Do I know my percent? No, I don't. They're asking what percent. So that's actually where my variable is going to be. So I'm going to have n over 100 of 200. So my 200 is the of number, is 230. Now I just cross multiply. So 200n is equal to 23,000. And then I'll just divide both sides by 200. And with a calculator, you'd see that n equals 115. Okay, that's really it on the proportion equation, the percent equation or the percent proportion. Hope those examples make sense and you can watch it a few times. And remember, it's just another way of setting up kind of the same thing that we learned the other day. Alright, see you soon.